How to turn off birthday wishes on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can turn off our birthday wishes on Facebook easily just by following some steps. So make sure to watch this video till the end. But before watching this video, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing first, open up your Facebook account and make sure to log in into the account that you want to remove your birthday wishes from. After opening your account, you just need to tap on your profile at the top right. After that, just tap on your profile. And here, after going to your profile, you just need to tap on this three dot. After tapping on it, tap on edit. And here, I want you to scroll down until you see edit about your info. Just tap on that option. And when you scroll down a bit, you will be able to see this basic info section where you will be able to see your birth date. Just tap on birth date, or you may just tap on this edit option, and when you tap on it, you can see this only me section. So what you can do is if your account isn't public, that's how people will know about your birthday. So in order to make it only me, you just need to tap on this only me section. If it is on public, same goes to your year as well. Just tap on only me and set it. After that, just tap on save, and then just get back to your profile. And that's how you turn off your birth date wishes on Facebook easily just by following the steps. So thereby, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.